वैसे मैं आपको बता दूं कि मेरे हाथ में फिर से आ गए हैं ये सारे क्यू कार्ड्स, और ये सारे क्यू कार्ड्स के सवाल मैं पूछने वाला हूं हमारे और आपके फेवरेट उपमा से। एंड उपमा यहाँ पे फिर से हैं यहाँ पे, और मैं आपको बता दूं कि ये जितने सवाल हैं वो फैंस ने भेजे हैं मुझे, एंड दीज आर रियली फनी क्वेश्चंस और आप इन्जॉय भी करने वाले हो। तो मेरा पहला सवाल है, डू यू एवर enjoy your celebrity status?
Yes, definitely. I think we work hard, you know, हमारा इंडस्ट्री ऐसा है, we work hard to be famous. Obviously pros and cons भी होते हैं, you know, अच्छी चीज़ें होती है, बुरी चीज़ भी होती है, but that's part and parcel, तो हम एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, और we're celebrities because of our fans, तो इससे बड़ी चीज़ क्या हो सकती है?
Absolutely, yes, I definitely love my celebrity status क्योंकि जैसे ऊपर ने कहा pros and cons भी है, advantages भी है, disadvantages भी है। Advantage ये है कि हमें इतना प्यार मिलता है हमारे फैंस से, हम recognize होते हैं सब जगह and all of that, पर उनके pros and cons भी है, but overall if you ask me, yes, I definitely enjoy my celebrity status.
Alright, मेरा दूसरा सवाल है, what's your favorite place to eat?
My favorite place to eat is Krishma's house, क्योंकि उसकी मम्मी बहुत superb cook है, so my favorite place is Krishma's house.
And my favorite place is Joss, जो उपेन की बहुत फेवरेट जगह है।
अच्छा,
उपेन
खुद का घर नहीं, मतलब मम्मी का खाना पसंद नहीं?
मुझे मम्मी का खाना हमेशा
बोल दिया,
पसंद है,
टीवी पे बोल दिया, चलो,
पर
बोल
मुझे
दिया।
उपेन की जो फेवरेट जगह है
नहीं,
after mom's
my favorite
place,
place is your mom's place. Don't
after
change it.
that you like sushi, so after my mom's cooking he really loves sushi, तो उसे जॉस जो एक रेस्टोरेंट है वो
But
उसका
I
खाना
prefer her mom's place. ये मैंने बोल दिया.
Just.
ठीक है। Most embarrassing moment?
Most embarrassing moment. Oh my god. Why are you laughing?
because I don't have any.
Actually, most embarrassing moment. That I don't have an embarrassing moment. I think on the spot, most embarrassing moment. You go to her, I'll come back.
I actually don't have any embarrassing moment. Touch wood, thank God that I don't have any embarrassing moment as such.
You must have slipped or fall somewhere, 100%.
No, I haven't. Most
100%.
embarrassing moment.
Slipped somewhere, fallen somewhere,
No.
100%.
One embarrassing moment I had, but it's a very casual one. मुझे लगा था I was in a mall और मुझे लगा था कि I was in a restaurant और मुझे लगा था कि एक जो black shirt में जा रहा है वो waiter है, but actually he was just a normal guy and I said excuse me waiter and he said I'm not a waiter, so that was the most embarrassing moment.
I think one embarrassing moment for me कि I remember I was at the airport and this kid came up to me to ask for an autograph. Okay, so I signed the autograph, and then he signed it, and then he went back, like two people behind him. He went back, and then he asked his mom. He said, "Mom, who's that uncle?" So I'll never forget that. that was embarrassing.
Alright, since आप अपना MTV पे शो कर रहे हैं तो how is it working with your co-star?
I love working with Krishma. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मुझे वापस एक मौका मिल चुका है कृष्मा के साथ काम करने के लिए, और MTV Loves को कर रहे हैं as judges, as host, तो it's a different time क्योंकि we've always been contestants together, so it's been a wonderful experience.
Yes, and it's always been a pleasure working with Upen क्योंकि Upen
कि
से
आपको
मैं
बोलना पड़ता है इसलिए
क्या बोलना पड़ता है?
कि it's been a pleasure working.
No, it's really been a pleasure working with Upen because jokes apart, I really learn a lot from him. He's a very educated and very sensible human being, so I learn a lot every day from him. And happy go lucky है, chilled out है, तो मुझे ऐसे co-stars बहुत पसंद आते हैं.
Thank you.
अच्छा उपेन,
हाँ
how
जी.
does it feel to be the most desirable man and woman in the world?
Honestly, I don't know how I feel. I don't think I'm the most desirable, but I'm very happy that I have the most desirable woman.
I didn't know I'm the most desirable. If you are saying that, Naveen, then I believe you. So I'm happy that Upen and me are the most desirable, which we didn't know. Thank you so much.
अच्छा, at what age you started acting?
I think I started acting as soon as I was born. I was always impersonating people and copying TV. I remember जब मैं बचपन में मैं बहुत बड़ा माइकल जैक्सन का फ़ैन था, तो उसको TV पे देख कर उसको कॉपी करता था. तो I think I've always been performing and acting since I was born.
I started acting when I was 17 years old, but वो जो acting का कीड़ा था वो पहले से ही था. मिरर को देख के मैं खुद एक्टिंग करना चालू कर देती थी. इमेजिनेटिव कैमरा था मेरे आजू बाजू सब जगह. मुझे लगा यहाँ कैमरा है तो मैं एक्ट करती थी. बट येस, प्रॉपर प्रोफेशनल एक्टिंग फ्रॉम 17.
Alright. Do you ever suffer from sleepwalking?
No, I don't. I suffer from not sleeping, but not sleepwalking.
never.
वेयर यू बिल्ड इट एज अ किड?
Was I bullied?
बिल्ड इट मतलब बचपन कहाँ बीता?
Acha, mine was in London, England.
करिश्मा?
Very much in South Bombay. I was born and brought up in South Bombay, and yes, I come from a Gujarati family.
If you were given a chance, would you enter Big Boss?
We've already done Big Boss, so we were given a chance, and हमने Big Boss किया है. Yes.
करिश्मा?
Yes, if they call me to just have fun for a day, and if they call me to just talk to the contestants and all of that, because I have a little soft corner for Big Boss, I would definitely go for a few hours and come back.
Okay. What's your favorite Delhi wear attire?
My daily wear, jeans, shirt. I think keep it simple.
उपेन का तो मैं ही बता दूं कितने अच्छे वो वेल ड्रेस्ड रहते हैं, हमेशा सारे फोटोज में दिखते हैं.
Thank you.
करिश्मा?
मेरा भी jeans और white shirt है. That's the most comfortable attire I can wear.
Alright. उपेन, women और cars?
दोनों, women and cars.
मतलब women with car.
Yeah, women with car. Exactly, Naveen. You got it.
करिश्मा, men और shopping?
Shopping.
Both men with shopping.
Men with their credit cards and shopping.
Yeah.
Alright, since this is the most funniest question और ये सारे actors बहुत funny way में देते हैं, since मैं अभी आप लोगों से मिला हूँ, describe your interviewer.
Describe Naveen. Okay. Long hair, beard, slim, very smiley.
Very jovial, positive, and very friendly. Naveen is very friendly.
Trust me, they are not getting paid for that. Who, according to you, is the best dressed man in Bollywood?
Upen Patel, hands down. Trust me, because I'm not saying because he's sitting next to me. I've seen a lot of people and they're dressed really well, but the fashion knowledge and the style knowledge what Upen has, I don't think so anybody can touch that.
Agree. मैं भी agree करता हूँ. Who, according to you, is the worst dressed woman in Bollywood?
Worst, you can't ask me that question.
Hang on, you asked me the safe question.
Yeah, worst dress. No, I see. मैं एक चीज़ बोलता हूँ, I think fashion is something you buy and style is what you do with it. So I can't say who's the worst dressed, who's the worst styled. I wouldn't know because I only have eyes for this woman, so I only see this woman.
Very diplomatic, very diplomatic. कोई बात नहीं है. चलिए इसी के साथ साथ ये सारे सवाल जवाब खत्म होते हैं. एंड वंस अगेन उपमा फैंस को आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे?
वापस से थैंक यू गाइस कि आप हमको सपोर्ट करते हो. प्लीज़ वॉच लव स्कूल फॉर मी एंड करिश्मा, नॉट जस्ट फॉर अस बट ऑल्सो फॉर द कंटेस्टेंट्स, क्योंकि काफ़ी इमोशनल जर्नी था हमारे लिए, उन लोग के लिए. एंड आई एम श्योर यू विल बी रियली हैप्पी सीइंग दिस शो.
थैंक यू सो मच उपमा फैंस, हमको इतना प्यार, इतना रिस्पेक्ट देने के लिए, हमें इतना स्पेशल फील करवाने के लिए. सो थैंक यू सो मच एंड प्लीज़ वॉच MTV लव स्कूल ऑन 5th December फॉर योल. आप लोग भी बहुत सीखेंगे, क्योंकि अगर आप लोग रिलेशनशिप में हैं तो डेफिनेटली बहुत सीखेंगे. हम दोनों ने काफ़ी सोच समझ कर सब कुछ आप लोगों के लिए बनाया है. सो प्लीज़ वॉच MTV लव स्कूल ऑन 5th December at 7 PM ओनली ऑन MTV.
Alright, thank you so much करिश्मा. Thank you उपेन. And do watch because मैं भी watch करने वाला हूँ. कैमरा पर्सन पुनीत के साथ नवीन सिंह भारद्वाज, टेली मसाला.